Have you ever tried rolling your tongue into a tube shape? It sounds simple, but not everyone can do it. In fact, some people have unique tongue abilities that many others don't. For example, some can fold their tongue into a clover shape, while others can twist it in multiple directions. These rare abilities are influenced by a combination of genetics and muscle control. But that's not all. A small number of people can even touch the tip of their nose with their tongue, a skill sometimes called the Gorlin Sign. It depends on the flexibility of the tongue and surrounding tissues. Scientists are still studying why these differences exist. While genetics plays a role, practice and muscle flexibility may also affect what your tongue can do. So here's a fun challenge. Try rolling, folding, or twisting your tongue in front of a mirror. Can you do something that your friends or family can't? You might be more unique than you think. The human body is full of surprising abilities, and sometimes the most amazing differences are hiding in plain sight.